So, project is done. The engine is back together, so we think. Don't know if I've ever been more nervous about doing anything than I am about starting this up for the first time, but I've reached that point where there's really not a whole lot left to do other than put some plastics back on that you really don't want to put on until you know that you have a running and working engine. So I'm going to give this a shot. I hope it works out the way that it was supposed to. Don't really see any leaks. Alright, so it's got a little bit of a, I wouldn't even call it a mist to it, but there's no check engine light on. Everything seems to be working as designed. Got a little bit of a coolant leak, so we're going to shut it down. Alright, so we're going to look into the coolant leak, but the engine runs. Coolant leaks are just clamps and hoses. They're not going to be anything major. Thanks for watching.